Where's Oscar?
Do you know Oscar? That's right!
Yay!
Where's the other one? Yay!
That's right. Good job. Okay, pull those out.
Okay, now find Zoe. Can you find Zoe? Do you remember who Zoe is? She's the one that's dancing. This is Zoe. Where's the other Zoe? There it is.
Yeah, good
See, they're
job.
both in number 2.
Oh, bless you. Hey, buddy, where's Elmo? Can you find the Elmo? Which one's Elmo?
Look at what
That's weird. Which one's Elmo?
You do a squat. You know they do that in Tai Bo. They do. And they bend down and pick up cards.
Get Elmo. Get the Elmo.
It's like it's
Oh,
not.
he's gone.
It's not a game anymore. They're both matches.